Me and Deanna are just out in the garden cleaning it up, preparing it for the snow. It's not going to come just yet, but you never know. Look how good the mustard greens are looking though. Holy, absolutely massive. But we are just cleaning up, getting rid of the garbage, putting all of the little decorations away, finishing up the plants, the ones that are going to get killed by the frost, taking them out, putting them in for Schmeg. I'm going to dig up a bunch of compost and dig holes in the garden beds and start that process of putting the compost in for next year. And yeah, that's about it. That's what's going on. Tidying it up.